Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my November Ipsy, and this is another one of those things that the shipping kept saying it was not coming, and then it just showed up. So I don't know if they're just so busy with Christmas time stuff that they are just getting things to us as soon as they can without letting us know. Anyway, things are falling out of the bag, so I'm going to take everything out of the bag. And I will show you the bag, which I love the bag. I know a lot of people have been not necessarily loving the bag, but the GLAM bag is different. It's has this orange stripe on it. This doesn't have an orange stripe. This is just the fabulous cheetah. I think that's what that is, right? And then it does have orange string though. It's just, I like it. And the Ipsy tag is orange. And, you know, that's it. These bags are no big deal. They're just, you know, they're not lined or anything. They're just a bag. And I think it's cute. Does it scream November? No. I don't know where they got it from. But anyway, it says November 2022 is Creature Comforts. That's what that says. It says Shop Black Friday with Ipsy. So if you're a member of Ipsy, they do all kinds, you know, they have sales every day. Every day they have something on sale. Every single day. So they say they're going to have more for Black Friday, so we will see. I know that their sister company now, that, you know, Boxycharm, has been having fabulous Mega Drop Shop sales. Fabulous, fabulous. And I've gotten a million things. Wait till you see. I've already shown you some. I've got more to show. There will be more coming. I don't know when the others have no tracking. But then again, what I have already received just showed up at my house, so we will see it. It says, the weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of creature comforts. Okay, you know, this doesn't tell you anything. So I print my email information about what I got. So, how Ipsy GLAM. This is the plus. There's the Ipsy GLAM bag, and then there's the Ipsy GLAM bag plus. And that's what I get. And this is $28 a month, and it's $1.99 shipping and handling. I think my camera's a little bonkers here, a little wonky. Anyway, you get 5 items, and they're full size, and they choose 2 for you. So I really like that. I didn't think I would like that when I started this, because I like to be surprised. But in picking my own, I get to pick things that I might use or know that other people or friends would use. So they chose for me First Aid Beauty. Let me show it to you and then I'll see exactly what it is. This is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. And First Aid Beauty is a good brand. This is non-comedogenic, so it's safe for sensitive skin. I think that's what it's really for, is sensitive type skin. So that's a nice pump. And it feels heavy, so it's 50 mLs, 1.7 fluid ounces, so there's probably quite a bit in there. So that is very nice. That was a choice that they picked for me, and this is valued at $28. And the second item that they picked for me, y'all, you will see, I only got one makeup item. There was not much in the makeup department, and that's what I get Ipsy for, is makeup. They sent me this. It's crushed up a little bit. This is the Hey Honey, and this I have seen other people get, and I have been a little envious, so I'm glad I got it. It is Skin Purifying Bee Propolis Drops. Now, when I say that, maybe I shouldn't be using this. I need to stop for a sec. My camera seems a little weird. Anyway, it's set to what it's supposed to be set. It says for complex skin, and designed to alleviate skin redness, discomfort, and signs of acne. So this really isn't for me, but I have been envious of the bottle. When you see it, you'll see what I mean. It's very pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just super cute, and it's beautiful. I love that amber. It's just gorgeous. So it really isn't for me. I don't know why they send me these kinds of things, because, you know, I've been told that they don't look at our profiles at all. But when I get things like this, even though this might be a wonderful product for a lot of people, what I'll do is I'll give it like a 1 star. This is what a few people told me to try this. Give it 1 star, and then I can say this is a great product, but it's not for me because I don't have acne or whatever the case might be. So that's what I'll do. And then that's supposed to discourage them from sending these things. But here I am. I'm into this a year. I've had this for a year now. This might be my 13th month of it, and I'm still getting things for acne. So it's gorgeous. I'd love to smell it, but I'm not going to open it because I don't want to get it started, because it'll probably go in a giveaway or to a friend, if y'all don't mind a smash box. Anyway, next up. Okay. Next is this. Everything's cold because it's very cold outside. This I chose. Now, this is One Kind brand. That's a good brand. This is called Clean Slate Gentle Cleansing Cream. I love a gentle cream, and y'all see that it's filled to here. That's how much it's filled. It's 3.4 ounces, 100 ml. This is valued at $28. And my other choices, there was a perfume oil, there was a primer, there was a lip gloss mask. It was like a gloss / mask. So it wasn't really makeup. There was a vitamin C serum, but I was getting this serum. Didn't know much about it. So, and I was getting this moisturizer. There was a Pacifica Beauty mascara, and Pacifica Beauty is, I think I've used their mascara. I don't love or rave about their mascara, so I didn't want it. So I got this because I thought this was my best value, because gentle cleansing cream sounds good. So got that. And I did get one piece of makeup, y'all. Let me find my little list on that. Okay. I got a MAC lipstick. So everyone says MAC is the best lipstick. I don't know. I've only ever had it once, and I always give it away because it's not my color. This one is E for Effortless. So let's see what the color is. This is valued at $22. In this category, there was a choice of an eyelash curler, a lip liner, so lip liner, a lipstick, a hair clip. A hair clip, like a claw kind of hair clip that you get at the Dollar Tree. There was a bronzer, which I don't use. And there was another lip mask. So they really want me to pick a lip mask. It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful bullet lipstick. Love, love, love the packaging. I got one similar to this. It might be the same one that I gave to a friend. This is beautiful. This might be the same one. It's very dark red, but I love it. Okay, so it's dark red. It smells like chocolate. It smells good. The other one I got was, I think, more of a darker purplish. So this one I'm going to keep. I finally am keeping a MAC lipstick. So I love that color. I have a lot of reds. That's why I usually give it away, because I don't wear red all the time. But I'm going to put this on me. Look at it, glides like silk. All right, I love it. It's a gorgeous blue red. That's my cup of tea. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so $22 value with that. And then the last item that I got, I only got because it was expensive. So I don't even know what it is. It's Avant Skincare. It is a dynamic hydro-balancing and firming night moisturizer. So yeah, another moisturizer. Do I need another moisturizer? No, I don't. But this is valued at $105. And my other choices were the Rodeo Blush Drops. That's a lovely choice. I have had that before. I don't use it. It is like a primer, a blush. It makes your skin highlighted, sort of, all over. It's beautiful. Rhode Isle is a wonderful, expensive brand as well, but I didn't want that. There was a R&Co hair conditioner. No shampoo, but there was a conditioner. There was a black eyeliner, and there was another serum, and there was an item from Refreshments. So I chose this because this is valued at $105. Now, I don't know if I will use it or if I'll put it in a giveaway. It's sealed. This one says that this one is more my type of thing. A smooth, let's see, fight fine lines and signs of aging with the help of this heavy lifting moisturizer. It uses hyaluronic acid to brighten up your eye area and Polalan to help plump your skin on contact and tighten it over time. Okay, so that sounds nice. So, not my favorite bag this month. Not a horrible bag by any means, but where's the makeup, Ipsy? $242 for this bag. My Avant Night Moisturizer, my Gentle Cleansing Cream. I'm excited about that one. My First Aid Beauty Moisturizer for sensitive skin. My Beautiful Lippy. This I'm excited about. And a wonderful Propolis drops, that like a serum-y looking thing, if you can see it's liquidy in there, that I can't use. So I'll take pictures, put them on Instagram if you'd like to see this, you know. So anyway, that is my Ipsy, y'all, and I love Ipsy. I want y'all to know that. Ipsy is my favorite makeup bag, my favorite makeup subscription, except I didn't get any makeup, but I don't mind getting some skincare. I really don't. I would like to get, you know, 1 or 2 skincare is great, but I like to get more makeup. I like to get a palette. You know, that's the thing, is this, they show, they give you spoilers of what's coming for the month, and one of the spoilers was a palette that I actually did not get in Boxy. It's a palette that, Ace Beauté palette, and a lovely subscriber sent it to me. So, all the way from Canada, Miss Kitty did. And I love it, and it's beautiful, and I use it. So you know, I didn't need that palette, but I do like a choice of a palette. And then some other people, I'll watch their Ipsy and they'll have 3 or 4 palettes. You know, that's happened to me before. I've had 3 palettes before because of the choices that were given to me. So I wish they would stick more. I mean, I do, like I said, I like a little skincare is great, but I'd prefer makeup. So anyway, that is my Ipsy for November, and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, $28, $1.99 for that handling fee. So it's really $30. And they're going to start charging, what are they going to start charging? I forgot, $1.79 or something shipping. They may have already started charging that. I got in, bought a year so that I could forego that fee. So we'll see. We'll see what happens next year. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got. And count your blessings, everybody. And one thing that I forget to say, please give me thumbs up on my videos if you like my video. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. That's fine too. But, you know, I will tell you this. I know a lot of people will say, I got a thumbs down on my video. I know, I look at my analytics and I study them. But I really do not see on my phone where it's showing where the thumbs down are. They used to show, you used to be able to see when you looked at your video, you know, 5 thumbs up, 2 thumbs down. I don't see them anymore. So that's a good thing. I don't care. I mean, you can like it or not. It's, if you do one or the other, it puts it it puts me out there, supposedly. Is that true? I don't know. But I would like to keep growing. So please share me. Subscribe. If you are watching me and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would really enjoy that. And also, I know that people are shy. I understand that. But say hey if you want to. I'd love to say hey to you. We don't have to have a long conversation. Just hey back and forth would be nice. Anyway, y'all, thanks for, you know, I'm a talker. So, love y'all. Good to see you. Count your blessings. Have a great day. Bye.